Yo guys, Lepagic here and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today I record Hellcase, have 1.9k on balance, and today we're gonna play case battles, and I will post a new giveaway for my promo code users. So guys, refill tab, enter code Lepagic, click apply, get the best bonus, and for this video I'm gonna post these two knives, this 1.4k. Just check out user giveaway selection, and these two knives will be on the giveaway when I publish this video. So requirements will be just drop a like, drop a comment on my video, deposit some money on my Hellcase promo code, and that's basically it, and you have a chance to win these two nice marble fade knives. Okay, let's go to case battles. Now we can play with the bots. I love that. We can play big, like a $700 battle, and we can call a bot today. Nice, bro. Hey, can I call a bot? What's wrong? What's going on? Hey, where is my call bot option? Hello, bro. Usually I have a chance to call a bot. Okay, let's play upgrades while we're waiting for somebody to join. But I just cannot understand why we cannot call a bot. Usually we can call a bot. That's a new update on Hellcase. I don't know. Okay. Let's go this guy, my Doppler. Let's go. Nice hit. Nice hit, and my battle is started. Let's go, dude. Don M. Hey, $700 barrel. I must win this. Okay, we both got same knives. Battle scare shadow dodgers. We have a little lead, but we need to pull something good, mate. Hey. I'm still in the league. Give me good skin. No way he got better, but we still have a lead. That's last case. Please, you let me win. Is that it? Bro, I won by fucking just a little. But that's profit. We can sell all. We have 2.4k. Sick. Bro, I love that new update on Hellcase, bro. That's sick. That's dope, bro. That's really dope. Okay, we can create another battle. 77. Boom. Just add all cases. More double boost. Boom. 1k battle. But bro, I'm just wondering why I cannot call a bot. Okay. Let's pray that somebody will join. We can go back to upgrades. 300. Let's get this. Let's get this M4. Stop. Wow! And we have a new good future, bro. We can lock the skins. Example, if we just want one skin, we can lock them now. I love it. I just love it, bro. Let's get another Ursus Doppler and we can lock the skin. And let's go 16% to get Ursus Doppler. I lost. Fuck. Go bigger. 21%. Bearing 174 stop. Dude, are you fucking serious, bro? Holy shit, failed. 13%. Looks like we need to bet way bigger. Looks like we need to bet way bigger. Come on. Are you serious, bro? Are you goddamn serious? Keep losing, bro. I just keep losing. Sheesh. Stop. Oh my god, bro. Oh my gosh. Can I remove this guy yet? Okay. 41% marble fade. Nice. Nice. Let's get this. Let's get this. Let's get this, bro. We can also add the balance. I lost. Hello, darkness, my old friend. Hello, darkness, my old friend. What the fuck is this? Hello, darkness, dude. Hit now. Thanks. Thanks. Give me the most expensive skin on Hellcase. 1.5. Yep. Bro, I want this butterfly. 48%. I lost. Dude. It's boring, dude. It's fucking boring. What the fuck is this? I'm so fucking sad now, bro. I just cannot win, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm out, guys. What? Cool Apache. Try luck on Hellcase. Maybe you will be lucky and get something, you know? But guys, also, don't forget that for this video, I'm doing this 1.4K giveaway. It will be posted user giveaway selection when I want to publish this video. And yeah, take care. Bye.